Carter, it was like Beatlemania. It was like the Rolling Stones were in town. These guys are treated like rock stars. Whoa! Well, we said that there was some claps of thunder and bolts of lightning. What a get that is by our camera crews out on circuit. We should give actually a special mention to our camera operators as well, because
rather you than me, guys.
What, absolutely, what a shot that was. That just gives you...
You just trust them and go ride it.
Well, for sure we start from our base setup of the dry, and we do all the modifyings for the wet. But honestly, I don't have any feedbacks. Also, now everything is a bit lost, you know, because we are just waiting. We don't know what to do. Maybe we go out, maybe we go in, maybe we cannot go. It's a pity. And also, I would like to race in a normal condition with wet, but normal condition, because I would like to try the MotoGP bike on rain. But at the moment, seems a bit too much, let's say.
Fabio, I imagine the team and Ducati have so much experience in the wet, they just put a setting that they...
Pawang.